Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. So Nikola continues its rotation up. On the 4-hour chart, you can see it opened flat, came down, retested the prior resistance becoming support. So this was the major area based off the candles, just dipping below that, rotating back up. We had this cluster 75.31 to 75.76. On the prior video I mentioned I was targeting 75.50. And we just poked above there. And where did we close today? 75.20s, and we got up to 75.69. So hitting that area, then dipping back down. Continued rally, next level is 78.27. And then the gap open, which would target the closing price of 79.58. There's no redraw levels to do yet. Now just slightly entering overbought area, but it's still in a bullish case. There we go. On a pullback, you can, this one is sort of trending. You can watch the 1 hour. The 1 hour is about 72. Then on the 4 hour, we'd be watching about 69, 60, 69, 80, right in here. So that would test this prior level. If we did drop below that, it's really 68.11 to 69 is their key support zone, because if it drops below that, it broke out and then it re-entered the congestion area, which is not very bullish at this point. Major support should some kind of disaster happen, 64.30, 64 level, right around there. It's really all we have for you. Just this one, you just got to keep trading it in the directions of the rotation zones. And for anybody who asks, no, the fundamentals are not there to support this. This is just a trading stock, just like Tesla. It's a trading stock, and you just got to be nimble. You got to trade it. You got to follow the trend, and at some point it can have sharp reversals, just like it did back in at the first week of June. So keep that in mind. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.